Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you two best HDD and SSD drive checker software for Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the Smart Disk Checker. So firstly, just open any web browser. And in the Google search, just search for one application named as Smart Disk Checker. On the first list, you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below and you'll see here free download option. Just click on it. Now here you will see here different download option. So the first one is the installer, second one is the portable, and the third one is the bootable, that is the ISO file. So you can download any one of this. If you want to install, then you can get the installer. If you want to use it without installing, then get the portable. And if you want to use as a bootable device on your USB pen drive, then you can use this bootable or ISO files. So I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it. After that, just open or run the software. So on opening, you will see this kind of user interface. So on the left side, you will see different options like overview, smarts, quicks, full, disk, wipe, viewer. So you can see tons of options here. So under the overview, you can see in my case, it's showing a warning. That means my hard disk drive or the SSD drive may be having some issues. So if you want to check it completely, you can click on this full smart details. So you can see here one orange marking. So you can read the instructions here on the help section, and below you will see here others are almost okay, which are showing in the green color. And if your device is not showing up, then you can just click on this refresh list of devices, and it will auto detect all the hard disk drive present on your respective Windows computer. And below there are more options like quick diagnostic, full diagnostic, and view diagnostics reports. So these are the options you will gonna get inside this Smart Disk Checker applications. So in my point of view, you should definitely give it a try. On the second list, we have the check drive. So once again, just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application named as check drive. On the first list, you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this free download to download this check drive application. So like before, I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install this check drive application, and after that, just open or run the software. So on opening, you will see this kind of user interface. So on the web, we'll see here various options like drive check, disk informations, automatic scans, and settings. So under the drive check, it will automatically detect all the hard disk drives or the SSD drives present on your respective Windows computer. So you can just click on this check now. You can do a normal check or detail check, whichever check mode you want to use here. And if you want to check both the drives all at once, then you can just click on this diagnosis. And below there is a background guard option, which you can enable or disable. And next is a disk informations. So under the disk informations, you can see the informations regarding of your hard disk drives, and you can click on this smart option, and you can see the temperatures, uncorrected errors, operating hours, start count. If you want to see more data, you can click on this more data, and you can check complete details about your drives. So in my opinion, these are the two best HDD and SSD drive checker software for Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.